What is wrong with my trading view? Can't even find my list anymore. Okay, right there. All right, sorry about that. So weekly is, it looks like an uptrend here. But if you go further to the left, I really can't see well. Let me just, I'm sorry, let me do this on the monthly. It'll be easier for me.
So why are you doing the monthly when you need to go
No, no,
to
no. It
weekly,
was hard for me to
daily?
see. It was hard for me to see the left hand side from the weekly. I'm just
Oh,
trying to like see what is really going on. It looks. I mean, if
we see
monthly is
came here
bearish,
reject, came here reject, came to that level 227 590. It came there reject. It's a good support there, support, and now it's at
so
that same level and rejected again.
so it looks bullish on the weekly. In my own opinion, it looks bullish on the weekly. It looks bullish. But what's your bias?
It looked bullish. My thing, it looked bullish. But when you see that it came to this price three times, rejection, and now it rejected again the third time at that level, 227 594,
27. Okay, you're talking about this
2.27 600, some that area. You see, every time price came here
this
once,
level. Yeah. Okay.
it touched it, it rejected, touched it, rejected. Now
Yeah.
it's rejected again.
Okay. So it's a good yeah.
So
Okay.
now we're gonna
It's a
go.
good supply zone.
Now we're gonna
Okay.
go on the daily. Now we know the trend on the weekly. It's an uptrend. Now we go on the daily.
Yeah, this is the daily. Okay.
Okay. What do we do on the daily? Swing high, swing low.
Your market mark swing high and swing low. So this is the last swing high and the most recent swing low. How do I mark this? Okay, let me just do this. Swing high, and this is the swing low. This one. This is our most recent swing low.
Yep.
Okay, so
You see,
right
every
now,
time it
what I
come, reject. Came here, reject.
so what do you think is gonna happen now? Like
Now you
we
see that. So now there's a rejection. You see, you have a green candle here. So now I'm going 4 hours. You mark your swing high. The swing high is high.
Yvonne, you're breaking up. Yvonne, you're
I'm
breaking up.
gonna-
You're breaking up. You're breaking up.
you mark your swing high and low.
I already did. I already did on the
Go
daily.
to
This
the.
is the
I'm
swing
in my
high
car.
and this is the swing low. Yeah, I already marked the swing high and swing low on a daily.
Okay.
So what we're
Okay.
looking for now, you said 4 hours, right? So that's
Yes. Do a
we're
trend
looking
line.
for
Now you do your
trend
trend line.
line. So the problem with that is that right now we are currently in a consolidation. We're not breaking higher, we're not going lower. So there's no trend line for me to draw here.
But if you on the 4 hours, put a trend line on. But when you go on the 1 hour, there's a change of character on the 1 hour.
I mean, I can even see the change of character here. But what I'm saying is there's no. I mean, maybe when Saints comes back, how do I draw a trend line here? Because it's just
You're
inside this
gonna train
box.
a trend line from here to here, on that 4 hour trend line.
There's no. I don't know. Except I'm seeing
No, we
somewhere.
cannot draw. We cannot
There's no
draw a
trend
trend
line
line
here.
here, guys.
There's no trend line here. It's a
Yes, there's no a
consolidation.
trend line.
It's a consolidation. See, it's inside this
Yes.
box. This is a swing low, and this is a swing high, and price has been playing inside here. But I mean, I agree with you, except Saints thinks otherwise. It looks like it's about to buy because this is a good supply. Let me look at it. Yeah, even on the 4 hours, it looks like a good it's not well marked though, but it looks like a good supply demand zone. It looks like a good demand zone, and they already swept this low.
Can you go on the 1 hour now and see there's a change of character on the 1 hour?
There is, there is. So yeah,
Price did, and then
down.
now price came back with test,
Yeah, so
and
swing
it
low.
came back and retest. it could come back again, and we test that area, and
Up,
I
down.
was,
Yeah, there's already a change of character here. Yeah, you're right. But you know my problem with this trade though.
but it looked
You know,
like the 1 hour is moving. It's probably gonna come back again to
okay,
retest. If you put it on the 1 hour, you
okay,
see it drop. You see the way it's crawling. It looked like it's gonna come down again, touch that
okay.
little candle again. Yeah, right there. Come back down here, and then buy from there.
You know my problem with this trade though. My main problem with this
Or
trade.
you could put a trend line on the 1 hour.
Yeah, I mean there's only a downward trend. You know my problem with this trade. There's something Saints told us the first time I talked to him. You see all those big candles. I don't see it, and that's what I need to see. You see where price? Yeah,
You don't see
I'm not seeing
you
those
don't
big
see
candles.
supply, and you don't see the buyers and the sellers. Oh,
Yeah, I can't see those big candles. That's why I can't take this trade. I'm not
there's
saying it's
no
not going to go up.
candle that tell you the buyers is here.
I'm looking for this type of candle in this area, or
Ma
this type of,
vini, mo
what?
buy bula washing.
Saying you
Ah,
understand what
wait,
I'm saying, right?
come on. Mbale,
But
hold on 1 second.
can because she's on
Hold
the
on.
phone
Mbalem
somewhere.
baklan. Hold on 1 second. Mbalem baklan, ebi ma vini. Come on, fella. Hold on, vai. Hold on, vai. Oh, I mean, okay, ma vini. Oh. Hello, sorry.
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah,
Hello?
we can
Sorry,
hear
I
you.
was leaving
Yeah,
to go to. Hold on, I have to put my seatbelt making noise. Yeah. Oh.
yeah.
Even I don't know how you got. I don't know how you can trade like this on the car with a phone. I don't know how you do it.
No, I'm not right now. I'm not trading. I'm just in listening to you guys. I'm not trading. I'm not. I mean, I could see the chart on my phone as well as on my the thing. I could see the chart.
Yeah. I mean,
So,
my main my main
so Saint,
challenge
can
is
you give us
this.
your intake on it?
This is gonna, even if it goes up, I think it's gonna be very slow. So me, I'll stay away.
Okay, that's good.
But I mean, it looks like it's
But
gonna
you
go up.
agree?
But I agree with your bias. But one thing that is missing is I want this type of candle around this area. I want to see that big push. I know this is a weekly supply zone, yeah, but on the 2 hours, 4 hours, I'm not seeing that big push. Yeah, there's a liquidity sweep which is great, but still, I mean,
try
there
to
is
go on
no.
the try to go on the 30 minute to see. And can you this area can you like reset your chart so we can see can you reset your
Oh,
chart?
yeah, I'm trying to remove it. Yeah, okay.
No,
Can
no,
you
no,
see
no.
it now?
I'm not talking about that. I said just reset your chart. Like left, right, yes. And can you zoom it so I can see what's going on the 30 minutes?
It's 30 minutes. Yeah.
Oh,
Can
what's
you see
that?
well?
Is an accident. Oh.
Yes, I can see. I can see on the 30 minutes.
Mhm.
So here in this case, right? In this case, what we can see is like is a resistance and support, right? Resistance and support. And if you
Yeah.
want to draw your trend line here, you'll be on the 30 minute. So in the 30 minute, try to find a trend line to the downside. Right? You can see a change of character here, right?
Yeah.
So don't go too far. Don't go too far. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. It's on top. To draw a trend line from downside. Yes. Just use the top. Yes. Yes. And draw good. So we can see here, like she said, we have a break of structure here. Right?
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So this can be a good trade too, right? But for me, I want more confirmation, right?
Okay.
I want more confirmation because if you can look at the candle, why now? How the candle try to go up? It look very choppy, 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 choppy. Yeah, here to here, it look very choppy. So we don't know if the market will from at this point it will just drop at this area. I don't really know, but it look bullish because it break on the 30 minutes the trend line,
Yeah.
right? And we have a retest on the trend line. If you look on the 30 minutes, if you see the market, I think open up
Yeah.
and do a
Mm-hmm.
retest on the trend line.
Yeah.
Retest.
Yes, so from there,
Uh-huh.
right? If I want to be confident on the trade, right? I will let the market break this high on the 30 minutes.
This one?
Yes,
String high.
yes.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
will
The
let the
string high
market
there.
break this one to show me the market, the buyer, are ready to push more.
Are in.
Yeah, because before I think to take action. Because the way they're going up is very weak.
Yeah.
You guys can see the
Yeah.
movement of the candle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's slow.
It's slow
Mm-hmm.
and very
Yeah.
weak,
That's what we just said
right?
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what I can do is to draw a line over there and wait for the market to break this one before I take action. If you want to buy on this area, yes. So what I
Mm.
would do, I will let the market break this one,
Okay.
and how you break this one, it will determine, my area of the main zone.
Okay.
So
So you want
yes,
just
yes. Try to break this one to see. Try to do something like,
let me see if I can.
yeah,
Should I
that
use
could
the box
be.
or should I use like the
Yes.
rectangle or this?
No, with the box.
Okay.
Yeah.
If we break like
If
this, for
yes,
example.
as soon as you break this one, you see the candle, right? I will use this candle to do my demand zone.
Which one? This one, right?
Yes, on this area to do my demand zone and waiting for the price to come back on this area and buy.
Oh, this line as demand zone.
Yes,
Okay.
not only this line, and you see the week, right? You can use the week, all these things. Yeah,
Something like this.
everything. Yeah, something like this.
Okay.
Yes, waiting for the price together and see what the price will doing, and from there,
Okay.
I can buy. But right now, I can see like it's very weak. They're going to
Yeah.
very slow. You don't have any strong push, so you know.
Okay. But it has to be a strong push.
Yes, it have to be a strong push.
It can't be all these
So I
weak
can,
ones going on.
yes, I can. This will give me the confirmation. This guy are ready to go up. They want to go up actually. All right.
Okay. I'll just write that down. I believe that's the one they call break and retest.
We can
It
reach
has to be,
this.
yeah, a
Yeah.
strong push out of consolidation.
So you can see they have a change of character on the 30 minutes. If you draw the line to where the trend line is, you will see this is a change of character, right?
Yeah, this one, like,
Yeah, this
yeah,
is a
right
change
here.
on the 30 minutes is a change of character, right?
Yeah,
And what they did, they came down to fill this gap, the small gap. They already fill this gap, right? And try
yeah,
to push a little bit, but it's very choppy. So
yeah. It's too weak.
it look interesting, but I would just wait for them to break something to
Could it
show me.
could it have been possible that this happened because it was on a Friday? Maybe because volume was
We
low. Do you think
No,
that
no,
could have
no.
been?
I don't think because Friday, I see like Friday was a crazy push on the USD.
And JPY?
Yes, and GPY. You see how it was crazy push.
Yeah.
So I don't think it's because of Friday,
Mm.
right?
They
But
are not just the big boys are not ready.
yes, that's why I can say. They try to maybe create more liquidity in this area. They can push down, take all the liquidity because the choppy choppy thing, this can be a liquidity too, right? They create a lot of liquidity like this, and so what I would do, I would put the 2 hours and this case like this 2 hours 30 minutes and look mostly on the two
Price inside.
hours,
Okay.
right? Mostly on the 2 hours.
Okay. Thank you. Learned something on that.
Yeah, you look interested, but yeah, at the same time you have to be careful.
Yeah, I don't really even like this type of fears, except there's nothing else going on. Because I mean, personally, I know we're here to talk about it. I see opportunities with JPY peers and USD scares me a lot, but yeah, they are so I believe USD has a lot of opportunities too.
Yes, yes. So
Okay,
so yeah,
Yvonne
I
already
would just
left.
yeah. I think she's driving, so
Yeah, she can't be looking at
I
the
don't know.
phone.
I don't know how she do it. I don't know
She's
how
always
she
very
do it. Like
busy. She's a nurse too, right? But she doesn't do
yeah,
hospital nursing.
she do home health, something like
Yeah,
this.
Omelf.
I don't know how she do it. I don't know. I don't know because I remember I used to drive, on the chart. It
Yeah,
was a lot. It was. I know you did.
yeah. I
I know
mean,
you
me
did that too.
in my living room, I have a laptop there, standby. It's in the shelf. Whenever I'm there, maybe in the middle of the night, I really want to look at something. If I can't see it on my phone, I pick it up and I start,
I see.
looking at it. But what I prefer is to come to the office in the middle of the night sometimes. If I
You
really
see,
need to
right?
see something, yeah, I want to see two screens.
Yes.
Like I want to see it on two screens because that way
Yes.
I can, that visual experience is different than when you do it on your phone.
But when you go, always talking about the trader, the big trader of hedge fund. They have like they can have like 16 computer screen. I was asking myself why they have to use all this screen to trade.
Mm,
Why they have to use four screen to trade? So I realized the focus on the multiple tank to have more confirmation and edge to be able to trade. So you cannot only look at like I said on the one time frame. So like daily. No, I want to see both. I want to see
yeah,
because sometimes I want to wait for the 2 hours to close, or sometime I want to see in the 2 hours how the 30 minutes move because of the 2 hours. It can have more 30 minutes,
yeah,
like maybe bullish or more bearish.
yeah.
You see, so I don't know how she do it, man. I don't know how she do it. So if I want to take this trade, I will wait more because the buyer, for me, the buyer like doesn't show me, the
Willingness.
strongest part. Yes,
Okay.
but it look good, like a structure. It look good, right? But I always my hedge fund always saw me wait for the break of structure, let the market push, right? Like it did,
Yeah.
wait for the retracement, right? And let him push. But now it depends how he push the market from there to here. So if
Yeah.
he push the market very strong, I know this is a good trade to
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 take.
be on.
Okay. That's
But
great.
one now is very choppy. So
Yeah.
I don't. It can go up,
But would
because
you have,
we don't control.
if you were looking at this on Friday, would you have taken this trade after this push?
No. I will not.
This is not enough. This push, this one here. You
No,
don't
no, no,
like
no,
this?
no. I will not. No. Maybe if you go into the 5 minute or
Okay.
15 minutes, maybe you can do that. Why? Because on the 15 minute or 5 minutes, it will look very big on the 5 minute and maybe
Yeah.
10 minute, 15 minute. But in the 30 minute here, I would not just take the trade. I
Okay.
would just wait because this for me the buyer are now very strong in this area.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Absolutely. Okay. Let's go. I'll,
I'll
I'll keep
wait.
that. I'll keep that
I
in
will wait for
mind.
the breakout session. Yes, I'll wait for them. You see, patience is the key. Patience is the key, and also look, like I said, the the reaction of the candle is very important.
I'm not even gonna like doubt the concept of patience because every time I'm impatient, I lose. So I'm like,
You
I
see
don't have a
why?
choice. I don't have. I don't have a choice right now.
Yeah. So I'll show your trade. What are you looking for this week?
So
Leave this one.
okay. So GBP, JPY,
Mm-hmm.
NZD, JPY,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm only going to take one of all of this, right? Because they are all JPY. So Euro
Okay.
JPY as well.
Mm-hmm.
But one thing I've noticed, so because we want to buy, I would want to pick the strongest, um, the one that shows willingness to go up the most. But here is my, I think I'm going to pick GBP. So here is my reason for picking this one
Okay.
over NZD and and Euro JPY. Euro JPY is not bad too. Okay, so I know we already looked at this like on a weekly it's an upward for all these JPY pairs. Weekly, daily, everything is upward. So this one,
Mm-hmm.
let me see. Come in, 1 second, please. So for this one, it's actually good. Actually, this one looks good. This actually looks good. Better than I thought. Okay. Yeah, I won't take this one. There's too much going on here. TVP or Euro, but this one is. Yeah, I would want to go with the TVP JPY. I would want to go with the GBP JPY. And the reason
Okay.
why is because of
Okay. Uh-huh.
this this
Okay.
area. I don't want a situation
Okay.
where because price had done this in this area in the past, so the market pushed. I don't want a situation where it comes in and it rejects again, but I don't have that much activity going on GBP JPY.
Okay.
So I believe this one looks like
Okay.
more like a smooth ride. This is more like a retracement here,
Okay.
and Euro JPY that is more like a consolidation around this area.
Okay.
That's the
Okay.
only reason why I'm picking. And another thing, another reason,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, Saints,
Mm-hmm.
why I want to pick
Mm-hmm.
GBP over Euro is because um, definitely JPY is weak. That's why we are buying, yes. On Euro GBP,
Mm-hmm.
I know I'm not done like a proper analysis for this one yet. It's been like a downtrend for a while now. It's been like a downtrend for a while now. Let me just Yeah, Euro GBP has been like a downtrend for a while now. So
Okay.
for that reason, I'm like, if GBP is stronger than Euro right now, then I want to be
Okay.
buying. I would want to put GBP over Euro. So that's why I would do GBP JPY for a buy
Okay.
rather
Okay.
than Euro JPY.
Okay.
But they look very
Okay.
similar. But yeah, that's
Okay.
the reason why I'm picking this one.
Okay. Okay. So where the area like your demand zone you want to buy actually? Where's your 30 minute? Because I want to see
So
like
yeah,
I
so
want to see how where do you put your stop loss? Where you because I already did mine.
okay,
Mine
yeah,
is already sit down. I will show you later. So I want to see where you put your stop loss, where you put your
TP.
TP, and where you enter according this. If it this
Okay,
thing do this and do this, I will enter.
okay. So I'm gonna be using like let me see. I would want to use the 4 hours or 2 hours. It's even the same thing. I would want to use the 2 hours. Okay. Oh, this one right here. You already broke this one. I'll use the 4 hours for my supply for my demand zone.
Okay.
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 So what I would so now I'm here and
Okay.
I hope this area gets respected. Even on the 2 hours, it's the same thing because all these down candles here, then this is where it breaks it. So what I'm looking for now is 30 minutes. What I want to see on the 30 minutes would be this comes down. I want to see like a big candle to the upside like this. You know,
Mm-hmm.
I want to see something like I want to see a breakout like this.
Mm-hmm.
Once I see this, I could wait for like a small retreat. Let me just color this so it makes more sense. So if I see that, I could wait for like a retracement
You
somewhere
can
around
draw.
here.
You can draw with the wave tool.
Yeah, sorry. Now this one. Yeah, this one.
Yes. 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 You don't have to do the box.
Okay.
You can
All
just
right.
draw.
I want to see
Yes.
something like this.
Uh huh.
Then I would wait for a retracement. I mean, it could even come here, but I would not want to do that. Then my TP is going to be around here.
Okay.
Like, I don't want to take that much risk. So let's see, maybe around here. So I would see what the risk to reward is. So if I come in around here, put my stop loss below this low. Okay, maybe I would have to go a little. I think I don't want to take too much. This is what I would do ideally if I didn't get any kind of support from you on this trade. Because what if it doesn't get to my targets, right? I don't want to
Okay.
lose. I
And
don't want to lose the
this is
trade.
one. This is one to what?
1 to
This
2.5,
is
2.25.
okay. Okay.
So that's you know. But I would really want to see like a break like this, something big, that would show
Okay.
that like you explained for GBP NZD, you know,
Okay.
something big, like showing that they are ready to step in. And if you use this as a support, this price higher.
Okay. Okay.
Well, I know it's gonna go. It's gonna go higher. But this is a safe place for me.
Okay.
But
So
who knows?
are you now? How, how much did you give? Are you giving to your trade? How much you give? B
Right now,
plus, A
oh,
plus, or C?
I've actually not thought about the ranking like that. I'm still trying to learn that from you in terms of what because me and Yvonne were talking yesterday evening. Well, like, yeah, I want to ask Saint, how do you determine A plus, B plus, or a C? Because I know you have certain things that you always want to make sure you have in place, right? So depending on because I know that trade I shared last week, you said I was a B. So in my head, I'm like, okay, something is missing, and this is still risky, you know. So I didn't risk a lot of money on that trade. It was just very little. It was just for me to just test, the
And it
market.
works, right?
I mean, I don't know if I was lucky or I did the right thing because it's a B.
I
It's a
don't know.
B.
I don't know if that's a login.
Yeah, so I would prefer, like an A,
Okay,
and
I'll explain to you something about ABC. Okay, okay. So A, you know, is mean I want to risk a little bit higher.
okay,
B is just to risk half or just a little bit, but not the whole month amount. So I'll give you the example. If this week I want to raise 1,000 or maybe 2,000, I'll give you the example 2,000. Why? On the A plus. If it's B, I will not use the 2,000 because it's a
okay,
B.
okay,
Okay. So what I would do maybe half, like 1,000, or I would do 700 or 750.
okay. Africa got 3/4.
Did you understand? If it's B,
Yeah.
now if it's C, you know, I will maybe use maybe 200, right?
Okay,
But I want more confirmation.
okay,
Sometimes you have everything. Sometimes you have everything. C sometimes is a content trend actually.
okay, okay. Like the U card that you
Okay.
shared.
Yeah, sometimes C they counter trend. So I will use maybe 200 or I will use maybe 100
Okay,
because I don't have all my setup like back. The trades look interesting,
mm-hmm.
right? So I will, you know, put over there because trading is a risk, and the general we know trading is a risk,
Yeah,
right? It's a risk game. Everybody know that, right?
yeah,
So I will risk 100 or 200 and they see. But if it's A plus, right, I
mm,
can reach the 2,000 or I will reach 1,500.
mm.
So when we say A plus, B plus is, how you want to risk, on this trade. So if it's B plus, I know how much I will put. If it's C plus, C, I know how much I put. Is D maybe don't trade the
No
trade
trade.
again or wait.
No
All
trade.
right. So do you understand a
Yeah.
little bit what I'm
Well,
trying to say?
I do from the risk part. But how do you know that a trade is A plus? What do you what are those things you're checking? How would you
Okay.
know you want to risk 2,000?
Okay. Do you have the plan?
Yeah. Trade
Okay.
plan or which one?
Okay. No, the plan, the trade plan I send you guys.
I
I
was
know in
I wrote
2026.
yeah, the
No.
PDF or
Yes, the PDF I send you.
I took
So
down notes on that day.
okay, if I
That's what I'm
find all these criteria on my trade, this is a plus.
the weekly outlook for direction, daily for swing highs and lows, 4 hours for trend line and structure, area of interest, liquidity sweep, and fair value gap or fair value gap. Then you said 2 hours and 1 hour look for entries, market execution or limit order, and wait for the candlestick confirmation. Never move your stop loss and TP.
So if you have all this confluence, right? For me
Yeah.
is a plus.
Okay.
Now, sometimes the trade look good, but the EME tell me another story.
Oh, so you actually consider the EME. I don't know. After I reset that time, my EME disappeared. Let me put it back.
Sometimes I have everything good, but the EME tell me another story. So if the EMA tell me another story, I say, that is a B plus or is a B.
Oh no, this is not what I'm looking for. I'm sorry. My EMA disappeared that time. I don't know what happened. It disappeared after. Oh my god. So okay. I think it's this one. Yeah, I'll just fix it real quick. I'm sorry. I just want to fix the EMA so I know what that
That's
looks
fine.
like. Boom, 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 and that.
That's the only indicator I use. That's the only indicator I use.
Hmm. Okay. So in this case, this would even be the it. The EMA looks good on this one, right? Because if it breaks, it's breaking above the
You
EMA.
you got it. So you see. So this is all the confidence you have to look and say, okay, this is the A plus or this is B because the EMA is not where I want the EMA to be. So it look good, but okay, I would not put much.
Hmm. Okay.
I don't know, do you understand a little bit what I'm trying to say?
Yes, I do. I mean,
Like
yeah, to an
like
extent.
everybody, when you go online, everybody say, okay, I have all my plan here. If I don't follow my plan, I don't take trade. Some people decide to not take at all. Or some people have A, B, C. Me, I have A, B, C. Some people don't have A, B, C. If they don't see it, they don't trade.
I don't trade it.
Me, I can see it, try to work more to see. Maybe the EMA is not there, or maybe we don't have the candle I'm looking for. But it's a good setup. So what I want to do, I want to look waiting for the candle maybe to break the EMA. Right? If it break the EMA, the B setup can be a setup.
Hmm. Okay.
You understand what I'm trying to say, right?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Making more
So
sense now.
the C can be a B and can be a A, right? So you have to do, like I told you, you have to do a lot of work, a lot of
Yeah,
research, you know, to determine what is the A, B, and C,
on C.
right? Right. You know, like she said, she finds something and she say, oh, it's at the support level, something like this. Oh, it's a good area to buy. And she look at only at two things. She look at only at what the level and
Yeah,
what the change of character.
yeah.
But she didn't go deeper. This is something I need to talk. I need to talk with her. She don't go deeper. She did look at two things and she think this thing is a good to trade. No, you have more. You have to go more. You have to go deeper to see if here you have a trend line. Okay, build the trend line. Okay, this area is a support, but I don't see a big candle. Oh, I know the big candle mean these people press hard the button. So because they press the button, that means they're waiting for the price to come back at this area. Maybe at this area they will shoot more.
Okay.
Because look, the hedge fund, you know what they do? Maybe today they decide to, or this week they decide maybe to put on the market 2 million. I give you an example on the
Yeah.
market. They will not put all the 2 million on the market. No, there is something called started. If you listen to them, there is something they call started. So to start, they will put maybe 2 million to start
Mm-hmm.
to
Mm-hmm.
see how this and other people will react if they put 2 million to see how is it react. So if
Mm-hmm.
they put 2 million and the market maybe push or the market didn't push, that means they have another big hedge fund somewhere over there.
Yeah.
So themselves, they will try to see, say, okay, I think this area is good, maybe something. You want to wait for the retracement for us to buy? Or what you want to do? You want to wait for a little bit to push so we can put maybe if he use 200 million, maybe you can put like 100 million at this because
at
this
the
is a
level.
good place to buy. That's why you see the big candle. As soon as you see the big candle, that means they put more money in this area.
Mm,
That's why we see the big candle, because at this area is the good price for them to buy.
mm.
And now they
Okay.
wait for the price to go a little bit up. Wait, whatever you want to do. Now, how much left? Maybe he left maybe 90, 80 million left on the hand. So
Mm-hmm.
they're looking now for the
Square.
good spot to put. That's why when the price come a little bit on this area, like efficiency sometime, or you go on the extra zone to
Mm-hmm.
push the button and the market start to fly.
Mm.
That's why they do the hedge fund.
Okay.
They
So
have
the big.
studied, they have studied, they have medium, and they have the end. So they don't put just the money inside, boom, and the market go. They put just a little bit. So we have to determine this area where they put a lot of money, so we can wait in this area to let the market come and for them to push again.
Mm.
You
Okay.
see? So on this, on this, that's why we have to do. We don't have this, like I always said, we don't have this strength. We don't have a lot of money to push the market. So what we
Right.
have to do is to follow them. So we have to. Your job is to find the big boy and try to determine where they put the money, a lot of money, and wait for them, for the price to come again and make sure these people are there and fly with them. Okay,
Right.
that's why it is. Now, your your analysis is good. Me too. I was looking for I already put my lot. I know what kind of lot size I will use. Like I
Okay.
told you, I
Yeah.
know what kind of lot size I will use. I know what you know what I'm looking for to be able to buy. I already choose the pair. I think I post two pair, right? I
Yeah.
think
GBP,
I post
GBP and GBP JPY.
okay, and I decide to use GPP. I think JPY. And
Oh, okay.
if I show you, yes, if I show you, everything is already set up.
So you want to go with GBP JPY. You don't want to do USD.
I already put everything already,
Okay.
and I will show you. Let me show you.
But I have a question. Why did you reject, USD?
USD is trending down right now.
Yeah.
Okay, and the way he pushed the last time is like it was so aggressive.
Okay.
Friday, it was so aggressive.
So aggressive.
So that's mean the retracement will be so big too,
Hmm.
because they have a lot of efficiency.
Yes.
If you go on 2 hour on maybe 30 minutes, you will see a lot of efficiency. So
Yeah.
sometimes it's very difficult to find, you know, you can find maybe 3 or 4 domain zone.
Yes. On the 2 hours,
Now
right?
on the 2 hours. So sometimes you look confused because you don't know where they will,
Which one
where what domain zone they will use
to push?
to push.
Okay.
So sometimes it give me headache
Okay.
because sometimes on the first domain zone they can push a big candle. You would think they're ready to go up and boom.
Hmm.
Maybe they decide to take the last one. I call this extremism,
Hmm.
extreme
Extreme.
zone.
Yeah.
So first zone, medium zone, in the extreme zone. So in extreme zone, they come on the swim low. This is the extreme, right?
Yeah.
So when I I see this kind of thing is sometimes you make. I try, but they have a lot of support zone over there, so it make my mind a
Okay.
little bit like, you know.
But why not Euro
So I
JPY?
don't.
I'm sorry, I know you want to show me something, but I'm just trying to like, pick your brain right now. Oh, okay. I see the reason why you
Okay, show
yeah.
me.
I already have the answer. So this
Oh,
one, the EMA.
oh, do you understand
Yeah,
now?
the EMA is too far.
Oh,
Mhm.
so that's why
Okay.
you have to have an
Yeah, it's
edge. When that's why they said
yeah,
always, if you don't have an
yeah,
edge, you will think, oh, this tool is good, oh, is good. But if you have an edge, the edge will help you say, okay, it's good, but I don't like it.
yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you. That makes sense.
okay. Let me show you
All right.
mine
Thank
here. So you see, I already set up everything. Look at the 2 hours. This is my 2 hours. This is my 30 minutes.
you. Yeah.
So on the 2 hours, you see the EME,
The trend line. Oh, the EMA is
how
very
he
thin.
got respect. You see how the trend line got respect? Huh?
Yeah. Even the EMA
You
too.
see
Both of
how
them.
he got respect for a long time. You see? Look at that.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
He got respect. I said,
All the
okay.
way from
So
November.
the EMA, I think they respect the EMA here. Huh? Look at why the price. When the price came here, you see how we got pushed on the EMA.
Yes.
And if you can see my trend line here, this is the trend line on the 4 hours. But look at how it line with the 2 hours. So let me let me remove this one. So let's go to the 4 hours. The 4 hours, I know my EMA is still under the trend line, the line, the market. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, you can see how
Okay.
you got respect, right? If you go on
Yeah.
the daily, it will be the same thing, right?
Yeah.
4 hours. You see how we got respect?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you see the trend line? I draw the trend line on the 4 hours. Okay? And
Okay.
if you can see here, 1, 2, 3,
Yeah. Keep bouncing.
I can consider this one 4. You see this one? Here,
Yeah.
I draw this one, right? So if the market just bounce this one here, I know you come and target here. Because you can see here, we have support here, support here, support here. We have what? Support here. We have support here. So the market can come here. That's why you see I draw this one. So this is my support zone actually
Okay.
on
Okay.
the 4 hours. Okay? And on the 4 hours, you can see the trend line. So when the trend line, from the trend line, you can see to here to here. You see how we got respect the trend line here? On the same
Mm-hmm.
level of what? Of the support zone.
Right.
So this
Yeah.
is tell me a story. This zone is very, very strong. Okay? So the market can come here and you know stop here and bounce. But
Yeah.
look at
Got
when the
support.
market came here, what he did. I can see
Rejected.
the push. The candle tell me the seller, the buyer
Ah,
rejected. So as soon as I saw this one, man, what did you try to do? What do you say?
yeah.
What did you say?
I didn't see anything. I'm paying attention.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, okay, okay. As soon as as soon as I saw this one, right? I said it look interesting. Let me go to the 2 hours to see actually what's going on over there. So on the 4 hours, The trend line is the same. When I go to the 2 hours, I can see. Look, the EMA was here on the 2 hours. So
Mm.
that means these people are here. They don't want the market to come until here.
Okay.
So they want to maybe block here and see pushing up.
Mm.
But you
Okay.
see this big candle here. You see this big candle here.
Right.
This is scary too. You see this big candle here.
Yeah, I was going
The
to ask
bearish
about
candle,
that.
right?
Yeah.
This is scary too. Yeah, this is scary too. But
Mm.
when I look at, I know the overall the market is trending up. So
Up.
what the market can do here, look, when I'm thinking the market will do like this. You want to
Uh,
drop from here, he will drop more.
okay. Um, since
Maybe
you're freezing,
he will
your video
drop,
is freezing.
or maybe he will stop here. I
Yeah.
don't care if the market come trending. So if the market come here, I still on the trade. So I hope the market will keep in pushing, right? You don't
Yeah.
know. But why I decide if you can go into 30 minutes, let me remove this one. Because remember always, when you have a big push like this, when the market have to come, you have to do like always try to
Okay.
struggle to go a little bit, up to come in this
Yeah.
area. Okay? This is something I know. Yep. So when I go to the 30 minutes, right, I say, okay, you know what? Because this one, look a little bit, in 30 minutes, you can see the buyers start to step up here, right? Right? But at this point, from here, I really don't look at on the EME. Here, I don't need the EME here.
Okay. EMA is for
Here,
support, is
I don't
for
need the
demand
EME
and supply.
because
Yeah.
yes, but here I don't need it. On the 30 minute, I don't need it. I don't need
Okay.
it because on the 2 hours is more stronger. It's more stronger than the 30 minutes.
Okay.
So you see when I put my thing, so I say okay, the market because of the EM on the 30 minute, the market can come here, pushing down to here on the trend line and pushing up. But I want to see both. That's why you see me here, right?
Yeah.
I want to see how the market reacts on the 30 minutes to here to here. So I know on the 30 minute, the EMA is somewhere here, right?
Yeah.
The
Somewhere
EMA is
around
somewhere
there.
here.
Yeah.
But like I said, I don't care about the 30 minutes EMA, but I don't care about it.
Mm.
Now, when the market will came here, I will try to look closely now how will the candle react. I will be here. Just look at how the candle. If the candle start to push big like this, and from here it start to do like this, that's mean the weak.
Okay. If it goes up with aggression and it starts slowly
Are
coming
you here?
down.
Are you here?
Yeah, the video got broken for a minute.
Slowly,
Okay.
if it's you got it, if it starts to slowly to coming down, it's a good sign for me
Okay.
to take a buy. But if I see them coming very strong in this area, like very, very strong, right? In
Oh,
this area, or
okay.
you have one candle and the second candle is like very strong, I would just sit down and wait.
Mm.
I would sit down and wait to see if what they try to do, maybe what they try to do, they try to break this one, right?
Yeah.
As soon as they break this one, maybe what they try to do is to go in this area.
The
Remember
2 hours.
on the bottom
Yeah. Yeah. The 2 hour support. Resistance. Is it support or
here?
yeah? The 2 hour support. Yeah.
Yes, here.
Yes.
This is support.
Yeah.
Maybe here and shoot.
Mm. So we have to wait.
So
See
what I would
how
do,
aggressive you come down.
yes, I have to wait. How aggressive it come down and how aggressive. So this area will be crucial for me on this area zone
Okay.
will be crucial for me to see. That's why I told you at this point, I will come here and look how the market react. So what I would do, what I would do, I will put the alarm here, right? As soon as the market come here, I will see why the market will react here. As soon as the
Okay.
market come here, I will look to here how the time it took here to get here and the time he took here to come here.
Okay. You
So the
want
candle will
this.
tell me what
You
time
want it to come slower.
what
If this took, if this first one took you
yes
1 hour, you want this to be like 4 hours to come back, like slowly, or three
you
hours or
guy
2 hours.
you guy you guy you have two cars. If the first car is going faster
Yeah.
and the guy is he working todo, if they tell you what kind of car you want, what you will say? You want the fastest
Faster.
car, right?
Yeah.
That go. So I will see what they try to do to here because I know my EMA is around here. And I know this one is a good one because it's got respect on the 2 hours. So
Mm.
at this time, from here to here, you see this candle on the 2 hours, I will look at the candle,
Yes.
how we react at the same time. So what you can see here, let me show you something. You can see, where's my, okay. You can see something like this on the 2 hours.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And now here you can see something like this. Look,
Yeah. Smaller
you can
candles.
see something like this. You got it. Smaller candle or two candles
Yeah.
like this.
Okay. Okay. At least two.
I don't know if
It can be one.
you got me.
It can. Okay.
Yes, okay. It can't be one. It have to be two.
At least two.
So if you take two, that's mean it take 4 hours to come here. At least two.
Slow.
That's mean it take 4 hours to come here. Slow. Look at
Okay.
this candle and look at this candle.
Yeah.
So this story told me the buyer are strong.
Mm.
Now I'm looking for a candle confirmation to take my entry on the 30 minute here. So you see, and from here, you will not see this big candle here. Here you will see, because you will see maybe three candle. This is 30 minutes,
It's gonna
30
be
minutes,
four.
30 minutes, it fall. So you will see maybe four candle, right? But on the four candle, you can see on the one candle here.
Right.
So when I see my 4 candle, and I see here, it will be maybe when you start to come down, uh, you see red,
Green, red, green.
green, red, red, choppy, choppy. I know my guy are so strong in this area, so I'll wait for them to
Okay.
come in here. I know from here, these people will react from here, and from here, I can wait for the 30 minutes to close, like we did the last time,
Hmm.
and take the entry.
Yeah. And when it's closing, you want that 30 minutes to close very weak. Very weak.
You got it. That's what we did
Yeah.
the last time, right?
Yeah. I remember you said wait for the 30 minutes to close. Yeah.
You see,
Okay.
because I will sit down here when I send you I will sit here. As soon as I enter, right, I stop everything and I left. I put my stop loss. I put my things.
TP.
I shut up everything. That's what I was waiting for. As soon as I enter, close the computer
Hmm.
and go up
Step away.
or take off my wife. Go take care of my wife because I work so hard to have
Yeah.
this yeah.
Wow, this is
So
really beautiful.
now, because of this big candle, right, and if you can see here, you see this is 3R,
Yeah.
right? This is 3R. So as soon as the market go like this and come here, as soon as I start to print the green candle, maybe I can do something like this. Remember last time, right?
Yeah.
My the last trade we take, you see, it passed. Remember, it passed a little bit
It it went over the TP.
the
They take profits. Yeah. After 2 days. Yeah, it went over.
yes, over the TPY. Yes,
Yeah.
after 2 days, right?
Yeah, it
So
did on
I
Thursday.
know when price we came here because of this candle. Because of this candle, I just I would just maybe put my TP somewhere to maybe 75, something like this, because of the what? Because of the entry, right? Sometimes because of the
Yeah.
entry, because I'm waiting for the candle to show me. So sometimes
Yeah.
it can push a little bit up, right? So
Yeah. Yeah. The
at that
30 minutes
time,
could
I will
push a
maybe
little bit
enter
higher.
somewhere here. Yes, you
Okay.
can put a little bit high. And when the next candle print, where I know as soon as the next candle print, sometimes you have a retracement because the first people who just come in is the seller. So we have a retracement, but the retracement will be always um, on the middle of the candle, the
Yeah.
bullish candle.
Oh,
He
yeah.
never go, he never go under. So he's still on the middle, and the buyers start to take over.
Mm. Did you move? Would you move
Right?
your stop loss because, or was that like a mistake? Okay.
No, no, no.
Okay.
I didn't move my stop loss. My stop loss is
Okay.
still there.
Still
Only
there.
the thing
Okay.
I move
The
is
entry.
the entry. Yes, I
Okay.
never move my stop loss. I can move the TP because because I because I took or I take the trade a little bit here because of
Yeah.
the candle. Because I'm waiting for the candle to print. Sometimes the candle go like this, so I can take the trade. Like I can enter here,
Mm.
or I can enter somewhere here.
Yeah.
So at this time, you see my trade. If I want to do the tweet, you see how we go? You go a little bit as
Yeah.
the what?
But that's risky. Hmm.
This zone, right? So what I would do, yeah. So what I would do, I would just put my TP. Just it will be maybe 250 or 250, whatever it is.
Yeah. 2.5. Okay.
Now,
Beautiful.
if you take my trade, yes, if you take my trade here, I would just let you go.
Hmm.
I would just let you go somewhere here. If you enter somewhere here, I will let you go. But if you
Yeah,
enter
three
somewhere
three
in
arrow.
this area, I will just bring my TP down. But I will never move my stop loss. Yes, but I will never put my stop loss.
Okay.